FWC2026 mobile tickets. So this is Football World Cup mobile tickets official app. Make sure the developer is FIFA so you avoid some scammy apps. So just tap get and let's try to install it. So this is your official FIFA World Cup mobile tickets app. Secure access, effortless entry, sending tickets to a guest made simple, secure ticket delivery, everything in one place. Send tickets to your friends, family members, and then work great. No tickets visible, no support. But once sign in, so not showing no tickets. So 1-star reviews for this app, guys. And I don't know what's happening here, but yeah, some people are just not happy. So you need to log in with your FIFA account, and then you should see your tickets available when you bought them. So that's what it is. But some people say it's just actually doesn't work.